guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look right here. This is a like cool toned cut crease with pops of pastel, and because I have blue and I have a mint shade in the waterline and I have a pink lip, and I also matched my nails to this look today. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off like I always do. I'm gonna prime my eyelid with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer and my e.l.f. concealer brush. What was I gonna say? I painted my nails for this video because I'm going to be using pink, and I'm going to be using mostly blue, but I wanted to do like a pink and blue. As your request, Forest, I did them as well so they would kind of match a little bit. I don't know if it'll be exact, but it was the eyeshadow colors that I had. But I am setting my inner corner and my brow bone with the Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow again. Using the Morphe James Charles palette. See, the cream shade is like gone. And I'm going to use the Morphe JH43 brush. And this color right here, it's a really dark, cool toned brown, and I'm going to pack that in my crease. And then I'm taking this teeny tiny blending brush. This is the Morphe JH40 brush. And I'm using this color right here, which is a lighter cool tone brown. It's pretty dark still, but it's lighter than the one we just used. And I am just blending at the top of that eyeshadow with this shade, so we can get a seamless blend. Can you see me? I hope so. Make sure the red light is still blinking. I need to watch that more, apparently, because my camera likes to cut out at me every 5 seconds. Well, it's a lot better than it used to be, but it's still pretty bad. I'm going to use my Morphe M124 brush. This is the tiny blender, and I'm going to use this light brown, and I'm going to blend at the top of the last shade with this. There we go. Now that I have, no, I'm not happy with that. I keep starting to say, okay, let's move on to the next step, and then I'm like, no, this needs to be blended more. This needs to be sharper. This needs to be... Okay, so now I'm going to take the Morphe JH42 brush, this teeny tiny little lid brush, and I'm going to use the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. I haven't used this in so long. I used this like every day last summer, but I like took a break from it and stopped really using it, but I'm going to use it again today on my face and my eye. I'm going to I'm going to carve out my lid with this for the cut crease. And then I'm going to use this Morphe M124 brush. I'm keeping my eyes shut. I'm going to use this white shade and I'm going to set that down. So that is literally the eyes so far. The pop of colors are coming later on the lower lash line, but I have to do face makeup for that. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm obviously going to start off with primer. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer and the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator. And I bought a brand new one, and like, look how satisfying this is. I love it when I get makeup because then I get to have more products. But I literally ran out of the last one. Like, I was scraping the sides. I had been scraping the sides of it for a long time and it was just gone. So I bought a new one, and now I have this brush applicator for it, so I can take it, blend it in circles. Then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild primer serum, hydrating primer serum, and just has a little dropper. Go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Foundation, and this has a cool applicator. I always use like 3 dips in here because I need good coverage, and this isn't like the fullest coverage foundation, so I always use a good amount of it. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge and blend this out. I'm going to use, what happened to my voice there? I'm going to use my Covergirl trublend undercover concealer. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder . I'm going to use this big Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. And this one is apparently the one for natural skin. Well, natural. For lighter skin. And I'm going to use this Morphe JH02 brush. And bronze up the face with this. It smells really pretty and summery. I really like it. And I'm going to use the Morphe M523 brush and the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, like always, and contour with this. And I'm going to use the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Luminoso. And I've like never used this. It looks really orangey. I always use really pinky blushes because I just don't really try other things. This blush is really orange. It looks better on the cheeks than it does in the pan or on a brush. I'm going to use a new highlighter as well. The Milani Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette in Rose Glow. And I'm going to use the shade Pearl, which is this white one. And I'm going to highlight my face with that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's too much. Whoa. I can use pretty little of this. I'm going to have to blend that side. That was way too much product. This is so pretty. Okay, so then I'm going to finish off my other eye on camera, and I'm going to use my Morphe JH43 brush again, and that dark brown, and I'm going to put that like halfway on my lower lash line. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with my little blending brush again and blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Color Tattoo, and this one is in Chill Girl. It's basically just like a white shimmery shade, and I'm going to use the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to take that on the tip of it and put that on my lower lash line in the like towards the inner portion here, and blend it towards the brown. And then I'm going to use this light blue in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to put that on top. And then to add another pastel color, I'm using Mint Julep by Stila, and I'm putting this in the waterline. And then I'm going to use the same highlighter and put that in my inner corner. And then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Lock On Lighter and Brow Cream and my e.l.f. This is the Eyebrow Duo brush. And then I'm going to set my brows with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This used to be clear. It's mostly clear, but the brush has product on it. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and use my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Okay, so I'm going to use the Kiss Look So Natural Lashes in Shy and my Kiss Lash Glue liner. Okay, so my lashes are on, and now I'm going to do my lips. And I'm going to use my new favorite. This is the NYX lip pencil in Pale Pink. And it's such a pretty, cool toned pink shade, and I'm gonna just put that all over my lips. And this is like where that pink comes in, and it's so pretty. So this is the finished makeup look. I love the blue and the pink together. It looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!